What if I told you that you could create a fully animated children's story, complete with your own consistent character, natural movement, and synced voice dialogue using only one AI tool? No jumping between multiple apps, no advanced editing skills required. Just one platform, Design AI, to bring your story to life from start to finish. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to take a story idea and turn it into a fully animated video using Design AI. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a consistent character. Every children's story needs a memorable and visually consistent character. To start, go to Design AI and click on Project. For video platforms like YouTube, I recommend using the 16 by 9 size. Next, go to Characters and select Character Sheet. Choose the art style that fits your story's tone. You'll see a variety of options to suit different aesthetics, from playful cartoon to semi-realistic. Once you've selected a style, type your character prompt into the input field. For example, a beautiful mermaid with emerald green scales, long flowing hair, and bright expressive eyes. She might wear a crown of seashells or have other decorative elements. Click Generate. You'll get several images showing your character from different angles. These are perfect for animation. Now, crop each image to isolate each character pose and download them. These images will be used to train the AI to keep your character consistent throughout the story. Step 2. Train the character for consistency. To make sure your character remains visually consistent across every scene, click on Build Your Character, upload the cropped images you just created. Once the training process is complete, you can begin building your story. Type in the description of your first scene in the prompt box and click Generate. The AI will now produce a scene using your custom-trained character, maintaining consistency in appearance, outfit, and style. Repeat this process for every scene in your script. Each new prompt adds another piece to your story, and the AI remembers your character across all of them. Step 3. Animate with AI video. Next, it's time to bring your story to life with motion. On the right-hand panel, click on AI video. Choose the number of character photos or images you want to animate. Select your desired video model. Then, type in an animation prompt describing the character's actions. See the screen for the whole prompt. Click Generate. Design AI will create smooth, natural motion, making your scenes feel dynamic and engaging. Step 4. Add lip sync to dialogue. Now, let's make your character speak. Still in the same panel, select Lip Sync. Enter the dialogue your character should say. You can either use the built-in text-to-speech feature or upload your own audio file. Choose from a variety of voice options in different languages and accents. Once you've selected a voice, click Generate. The AI will animate your character's mouth and head movements to perfectly match the spoken dialogue. If you're uploading audio, make sure it's under 10 seconds and matches the video duration. Supported formats include MP3, WAV, M4A, and AAC. Repeat this process for each line of dialogue in your story. Step 5. Build your full story. Continue building your story by generating each scene with your trained character, animating it, and applying lip sync as needed.
Oh no, please help me.
Repeat this process
Help
with your
me.
script section by section until the story's complete. You now have a fully animated children's story, all created inside one single platform. And that's it.
Far beneath the sparkling waves, in a kingdom of coral and wonder, lived a mermaid named Coralia. She loved her ocean home more than anything. One sunny day, a boy named Finn was sailing above. He finished his chips and, without thinking, tossed the empty bag into the sea.
Oh no, not my prize-winning anemone. Hey, that's my home you're polluting.
Coralia could have been angry, but instead, she showed Finn the real impact of his actions.
Whoa, help! Someone, help me, please.
Now you see, Finn, This is what your trash does. It ruins the beauty and hurts the creatures.
Oh no, please help me. Help me.
Oh wow, I didn't realize.
Finn learned a valuable lesson that day. He promised Corelia he would never litter again. And from that day on, Finn became the ocean's biggest helper, always remembering his unexpected trip to Corelia's underwater kingdom. Remember, every little bit helps keep our oceans clean and beautiful for everyone.
You've just learned how to create an entire children's story with consistent characters, animation, and lip sync using only Design AI. If you want the full script and prompt template I used in this video, comment AI story below, and I'll send it to you. Click the link in the description to try Design AI yourself and follow along with this workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the incredible stories you create.